Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please stop, hit the subscribe button, okay, and make sure you have your bell notification on and all that good stuff, okay. Anyway, so in this video we are going to be installing this beautiful mini twist that I am so loving, guys. Like, I am so in love with this twist. And yeah, but without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm just starting out on hair that is freshly washed, and I stretched my hair. If you guys want to see how I stretched my hair, I have videos that I did, so I'll probably put them in the link in the description box. But I'm gonna be using this African Pride braid lock and twist gel to do my mini twist. You can use any kind of gel or twisting batter or whatever it is that works for your hair, okay. So I started with the back because that's how I usually braid my hair, and I really don't have like like nice twists in the back because I did not care for like making nice lines at all. But I'm just using the gel only, okay, because my hair was already moisturized, like I already told you guys, and I really didn't want to add a lot of products to this hair. I didn't want to add a lot of products to this hairstyle, and I stretched it because I wanted the twist to kind of be long, okay. So I didn't want to put a lot of products and make the hair bounce back. So I'm just taking the gel and, coating my whole hair, which I plan to twist, and splitting it and then twisting the hair, okay? That's all I'm doing. And the hair was a little bit still wet from the night before because I washed it like the night before. So it's stretched, but it's not as dry, okay? Yeah, so we're just gonna twist the hair, and it's just that easy, okay? So this twist took me about 2 hours to install, to finish twisting, which I don't think is like a really long time. I did 1 hour in the back and another hour in front, okay? But like I said, this is how the back is looking. I'm not worried about making straight lines in the back, but I did, however, try in the front, okay? And what I love about this particular protective style is because I feel like it's keeping my hair moisturized. It's so easy to install, and it's not heavy on your head at all. Like, when you put protective style, and you are not putting any stress on your hair, therefore you're avoiding breakage, which is what we want. Okay, so this is how the back looks like after I'm done, and I was loving it, okay. Yeah, so I noticed that some parts it's really like wet, like up top in the middle here, and that's because I started using water because my hair was drying, and this is what I'm using here. But it's not just water, okay, so I do have a leave-in conditioner inside that, so I feel like that kind of affected it, but ain't nobody worried about that. I'm not concerned about that, okay. All right, now moving on to the front, where I'm patting my hair and making sure that the lines are somewhat nice and clean. All right, so you just want to make sure that whatever moisturizer you're using, make sure moisturizing your hair, because you want to make sure that you keep your hair moisturized when you have protective style. Like, that's very important. And obviously, why else do we wear protective style? We call it protective style for a reason. So yeah, I'm just making sure that my hair is nicely moisturized, and I'm just twisting it until the end, and then I'm just like wrapping or like twisting the ends on my finger. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys see what I'm talking about, okay? So we're gonna do the whole hair. And guys, I've had this hair for about more than a week now, okay, close to 2 weeks by the time you guys see this video, and I'm loving it. It's like literally my favorite protective style, and I'm hoping that it does the job that I'm thinking it's gonna do. But yeah, I'm loving it. It's so easy to install. It may take longer if you're doing really tiny twists. Mine are mini twists, but I don't think they're that tiny. They're not as tiny as I thought I was gonna make them be. But this is what I could do, because I don't think I could sit down for any much longer, okay? So this works for me. All right, we're almost at the end with about like 3 or 4 mini twists to go. Thank God. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish up. Okay. And look at how my hair is looking, guys. I really love this twist. Like, it's making me feel like I may have to lock my hair, okay? Because I just love them so much. Okay, if you have not tried this and you're wearing natural hair, give it a try, okay? Give it a try. You just don't know. But yeah, I'm really loving this protective style, and hoping it's doing what I think it's doing, which is promoting growth and retaining length. All right, so that's it. We are all done. Okay, finally, look at that, guys. I am loving this hair, like love it. It feels so light. Like, I don't even have anything on my head. Okay, so we went ahead. This is like 3 days later when I finally could sit down and do my makeup, but still looking nice. Okay, oh my gosh, it feels so light. Like, I don't even have anything on my head, and which is the best part. And like I said, we don't have any, like, we're not pulling hair, we're not doing like any tension on the hair. Like, that's literally perfect. And you can wear it in different styles. This is like a half up, half down hairstyle. You can do so many styles with it, and it's just so easy to maintain. Okay, another good thing about it, so easy to maintain. I'm gonna probably show you guys how I been keeping it moisturized, but it's so easy to maintain. Okay, you just spray some water, put in your favorite oil or butter or whatever the case that is. Okay, and that's it. It is so easy, guys. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.